welcome to Vlogtober with Jaylyn Renee. I know that was so dramatic, but anyway, for the first time ever, I will be doing Vlogtober for the entire month of October. I am going to be bringing you, ladies and gents, a video every single day of this month. Yes, every single day. I have assured myself and pledged to myself that I'm going to be giving you guys a video every single day. So make sure you stay tuned. I might even throw some giveaways in there. Hey, and we're going to be working on building a family, making our family bigger. I am on the road to 1K, so I'm so excited for that. So I hope you guys enjoy the month of October. It's going to be so much fun. Let's get started. Hello, ladies and gents. I am Jaylyn Renee. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to keep the intro really short and sweet. We're going to be creating this beautiful fall-y look today. I just really wanted to play in makeup today, so boom, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my grill. Ignore my friend that has popped up in the middle of my face, but I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydro Concealer to use as a eyeshadow base. So as you can see, I'm going to be grabbing my Jackie Aina palette. Love this palette for fall. I am taking a ginger and I'm going in my crease and I'm just buffing that in to use as a transition shade. Just to deepen everything up, I'm going to take credit and I'm going to go right on the top of that. Well, actually not on top, but you guys know, just working it into my inner crease, just making it a little bit smaller motions versus the ginger. Next is Big Wig. So I'm going to take that on a slanted flat brush type. And I'm just going to buff that in right at the end of my eye. And then I'm going to drag it up in the middle of my lid, guys. I kind of didn't know what I was going for with this look. I was just kind of really freestyling. But I love how it turned out. So anyway, yeah, I'm just buffing that in first, starting on the outside of my eye and then working my way to the middle. I love how these colors married together. It just gives me that deepness. It gives me that smokiness, but it's not too dark, and I love that about it. My initial thoughts weren't to make this purple, but I'm happy I did because I really liked how it turned out. So now I am taking, what is that? I can't see the name. I'll have it listed down below, but you guys know it's that shimmery green-ish color in the palette, and I'm going to pop that right on my lid, right on top of that purple. And guys, look at this gradient that is happening. Like, I'm obsessed. So to blend everything together, I'm just going back in with credit, and I am just going to buff everything out, make everything blend nice and seamless. But again, I love how all of these colors married with each other. So I didn't want to lose big wigs, so I took that same brush I used to apply it the first time, and I just put it right in the outer, well, the inner crease of my eye. And look at that, guys. It definitely made that purple pop, but it also allowed the green to stand out. So guys, I used a primer today that I got as a sample. That's the Hangover Primer. And I've also popped on my lashes. And I'm using Beauty Bakerie Plantain to add a base with loose setting powder. And now I'm going to take Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Chai. Interesting color. You guys are gonna see what happens, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foundation, and then I'll tell you guys like what I felt about it after wearing it all day. I feel like I look like the Oompa Loompa. um, let's let it oxidize. Well, let's let it dry down. Oh my god, I look really orange reddish right now. I don't I don't know, guys. I don't know. Like maybe it's just a different hue for me. I don't know. It's really alarming. um I'm gonna just keep on playing with it and just let it dry down and see what happens. But I might have to go back and get a different shade. But I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Woo, baby. Yeah. And I did not buy the concealer to go with this, which I should have. Stupid. So it's gonna be even more interesting, like, cause I don't even know like what concealer I should use. So, um, yeah, this is gonna be really interesting. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my Elf hydrating concealer. Um, oh wow, like I feel like I'm really orange. I don't know. On my end, I don't know. Tell me what you're seeing in the comments down below. I guess it's not terrible for like someone who doesn't know, but for me, like I know what my foundation usually looks like, and it just looks a little bit orange reddish to me. But it looks really good on camera. But when I look in this mirror, I'm picking up something totally different. So let's go ahead and go in with concealer. So I chose to go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating concealer. I'm in the color Tan Walnut. I wanted to do the hydrating one simply because the foundation is matte. So usually when I use a matte foundation, I like to go in with the hydrating concealer just because I have combination skin. I definitely wanted to let this dry down because one thing I noticed about the foundation is that it dried down really quickly, and I do not want my foundation to lift or anything like that. So I did sit for a minute, and now I am blending it all together. And guys, honestly, I don't know. The color changed right before my eyes. I don't know if it's just me or you guys let me know what you see, but I definitely saw the color change into a less Oompa Loompa to more my skin tone. So let me know what you guys think. So now I'm going to set everything. I'm going to go in with my favorite Black Radiance Banana Loose Setting Powder. I don't know if it's the applicator. I don't know, but oof, this is still my favorite. Like I choose this over everything. I don't know why, but it just does my face so well. If you've been watching me, you know I do not leave it on for very long. I do sweep it off right away. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with some bronzer to bronze my face up. I got this mini bronzer as a sample. Look how cute it is. It's definitely not my color. I knew that before I even put it on, but I can definitely probably use it as an eyeshadow, and it smells really good. It smells like chocolate. So let's take our glow bronzer and go in. This is from Makeup Revolution. Guys, if you have any bronzer recommendations, please let me know down below. I know this one is really deep, and some people don't like that. I do personally like this look, but I do want more that's a little bit softer. I do have a Fenty one. I don't remember what color it is, but I might need to just try a darker one in Fenty, and that might be, you know, something a little bit softer, because the one I do have for Fenty is like really close to my skin tone. So yeah, I'm going to be exploring with different bronzers. So if you guys do have a recommendation, let me know down in the comments. So I'm taking my e.l.f. light blush palette, and I'm just going in with some blush. Look at my face, guys. I'm really feeling this high-end face. I'm taking my MAC eye pencil and just lining my lines, and then I'm going to take a big wig and sweep that under my lash line just to make everything nice and cohesive. And then I'm going to coat my bottom lashes. I don't have many, but I do like to coat them. It looks better to me when you know, go ahead and coat. Then I'm going in with NYX Downtown Beauty to line my lips. And I'm taking this sample size Time Forward lipstick that this girl gave me. It's really, really pretty, and I love it. Absolutely love it with this look. So here we are. Did anybody else do the Manny Makeup Artist Challenge? I know I did. If you do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you head over and follow me now.